Hi friends, good morning to all of you. Welcome to City Academy online classes. Myself, Pramod Kumar, your computer teacher. Today we will discuss lesson 6 conditional control statement. First thing, what is conditional control statements? Basics was designed by Professor John Kemeny and Thomas Cruz in year 1964. Basics was designed by Professors John Kemeny and Thomas Cruz in year 1964. It was basic desired training the beginner in a programming. Later on the year 1985, Bill Gates and Paul Allen developed the QBasic, was intended as a replacement of GW Basics. The QBasic language is compiled based high-level language that user window environment. Means for a beginner programming, use basics. Basics programming language developed by Professor John Kemeny and Thomas Cruz in 1964. This is the basic programming language, and after that in year 1985, Bill Gates and Paul Allen developed the QBasic and replaced the GW basic programming language. Further, the improvement upon this previous version of QBasic 4.5, the new version QB64 was developed and released on April 2012, the latest version of QBasic. So in this video we will discuss about conditional control statements, how to control your program through a given condition. Constant and variables. Constants are the value that do not change during the execution of program. Constant are the values that do not change during the execution of program. It's called constant, and constant are two types. First, numeric constant, and second, character constant. So let's discuss numeric constant. They are further divided into two types: integer and real contents. Integer contents are positive and negative number without any fractional part. Example 12, 234, minus 756, etc. Real constant are the number with a fractional part, like 75.5 and 46.25, etc. Means numeric constant considered as a number but divided into two types. Integer means you consist positive and negative number, like 12, 324, 34, minus 796, and real constant are the number with the fractional part, like 5.6, 3.8, like this. Second, the character constant. The character constant are two types: single character constant and string, multiple character constant. Single character constant contain only a single character enclosed in double quotes, for example D, etc. Or string constant is a sequence of character included within a double quotations in a multiple character. It's like here keeps. Welcome to programming. Means character constant are two types: single character and string character. Next one, variables. A variable is a named location in the memory of computer that store data temporarily. A variable is a named location in the memory of computer that store data temporarily. A variable has a unique name and a type and size that is used to identify in a program. It can hold one data at a time and can accept different during the execution of program. Once variable is a name located in the memory of computer that data stored temporarily. and variable has unique name, type, size, and identify the program. It can hold data at a time and accept different value, because variable not of fixed value, so they can accept multiple value. And after the types of variable, there are two types of variable: numeric variable and string variable. Numeric variable, it can hold only a number that can be of integer, floating, decimal, long integers represented by alphabet. A numeric variable should not contain any space or symbol. Numeric variable cannot accept space or any symbol like @ question mark, etc. For example, a equal to 5 means that the value of 5 is assigned to the variable a. Second, the string variable. A string variable contains values, symbol or text within a double quotation. It is represent alphabet. For example, here $a equal to 20 kips. These are the string variable, and this one the numeric variable, means a equal to 5 is the numeric variable. This is the control statement. While executing programs, sometimes it becomes essential to change the order of execution of some statement to repeat a particular set of statement subject in a given condition. These kinds of conditions requires decision. The statement that help to control the flow of program are known as control statement. This control statement is sometimes need to control the execution of program, and sometimes need to repeat a particular set of statements. So we are use a control program. So this is called a control statement, and there are various control statements in KB64 like if then, go to, if then else, etc. to perform conditional checks and repetitive action. Means control statement means those statements which are used to change the order of execution and to repeat a particular set of a statement to given condition is called control statement. And the control statement are in KB64 like if then, go to, if then else statement, etc. Go to statement. A go to statement is refers to as unconditional transfer control. Go to statement used to transfer the program control from one statement to another in a program. Go to statement is used to transfer unconditional transfer program, and go to statement used to transfer program control from one statement to another. It means you want to move from one statement to another, then you can use go to statement. And the syntax of the go to statement: go to and give instruction. For example, go to start. In the above mentioned statement, go to transfer the control to statement with the start. For example, a equal to 1, start. Then b equal to a into a, print b, and a equal to a plus 1, and go to start. Means when first computer run this statement, and after that go to start, it will move the start. And again a value is first time a value is equal to 1, then here show 1 output, print b means 1 into 1, 1, so print 1. And a equal to a plus 1. A plus 1 is the value of a equal to 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. Then go to start. Then move here, start. And a equal to value 2. So b equal to 2 into 2, 4. Print 4. And after that a equal to a plus 1 means a value is 2. 2 plus 1, 3. Then again go to start and 3 into 3 9. Just like this you can use go to statement to move the next statement. If then statement. The if then statement is the most basic type of control statement. It is used for decision based on comparison. It checks only the true condition of the program and comes to an end. Means if then statement are the basic types of control statement. It is used to decision and based on comparison. Means true you can comparison, and if the condition is true, then statement run, and after that move the end. Syntax: if condition then statement. If the condition is true, then the instruction specify after then it executed. If the condition is false, control shift to the next statement, means end statement. Through here example you can better understand. Input: do you want to print number 1 to 5? White dollar. If white dollar equal to yes, then print 1. As it is, when you are write yes, then print 1, print 2, print 3, 1 by 1, print 4, print 5. When if you give a condition, if y dollar is equal to no, then move to the end statement. So here this print through simple if then statement. And after that homework question: first, what do you understand by constant and variable? Question number 2, what is the use of control statement? Question number 3, define if then statement with the help of example. Hopefully you understand all contents of this video. If you face any problem, call me my number 8840156170. Thank you.